Question number 1. Which of the following is not a transition metals? Aluminium. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 2. Which transition metal is known as for its colorful compounds? Chromium. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 3. What is the common oxidation state of the most transition metals? +2. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 4. Which transition metal is used in stainless steel? Chromium. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 5. Which transition metal is commonly used in jewelry due to its inertness? Gold. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 6. Which transition metal is a catalyst in our process for ammonia production? Iron. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 7. Which transition metal is essential for the synthesis of chlorophyll in plant? Magnesium. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 8. Which transition metal is found in vitamin B12? Cobalt. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 9. Which transition metal is commonly used in galvanizing iron to prevent rusting? Zinc. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 10. Which transition metal is essential for synthesis of chlorophyll in plant? Magnesium. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which transition metal is utilized in synthesis of polyethylene? Nickel. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 12. Which transition metal is commonly found in vitamin B2? Iron. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 11. Which word transition metal was first discovered in ancient times? Option C is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which transition metal is commonly used as a catalyst in our process for ammonia synthesis? Iron. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 15. Which transition metal is utilized in catalytic converter to reduce nitrogen oxide emission from vehicle? Rhodium. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 16. Which transition metal is commonly used as a catalyst in hydrogenation of vegetable oil? Platinum. Option A is the correct answer.